Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the process of entrepreneurship. Under the process of entrepreneurship, first of all, an entrepreneur does self-discovery. Under self-discovery, an entrepreneur examines his positives and negatives, that what is his plus point, what are his minus points, and then he find out his area of capability. Area of capability means what exactly he is capable of doing, so that he should be able to find out the product, he should be able to make that product only which suits his capability. Then identifying opportunity, then he identifies that which are the needs and wants of the people which are not fulfilled till date, and then he finds out that why those needs and wants were not fulfilled. Then he generates and evaluate ideas, which means whatever needs and wants are not fulfilled till date, out of all these needs and wants, which is that need and want which he can fulfill according to his capability. So he will find out the idea and evaluate that idea. Once he will get that, then he will do the planning. Under planning, he will see that whether it is actually possible to convert this idea into reality or not. If he finds that it is possible to convert this idea into reality, then he will move ahead, he will plan the activities, and the major thing he will make is business plan. On the basis of business plan, he will go to different investors and will show them his business plan. On the basis of his business plan, investors will decide that whether they are interested in investing money in his business or not. So this use his business plan to attract the investors. As venture capitalists, venture capitalists are the ones who invest money in the entrepreneurial business in return of some share in profits. They are venture capitalists. Profit, share in profit, and ownership. Then startup, finally, see, he has discovered the idea, he has seen that yes, he is capable of fulfilling that idea, he has raised the finance, now finally he will start the business. So under this, an entrepreneur will launch the venture, he will develop, he will do advertisement and all possible ways to inform and stimulate the customer to buy the product. So this way he will create his customer base and make marketing plans that how he can increase his sales in future. Then growth. Once he is able to start up his business, his customer base is formed. Now he will think the various ways to grow his business, and he will put all possible efforts for the growth of his business, as well as he will make the strategic plans also. Strategic plans are made by keeping into mind the competitors. He will make the strategic plans to see that what are the various efforts he can put in to stay ahead than his competitors. Then finally, harvest. There are some entrepreneurs who don't like to manage the business in long run. They just like to create the business. Such type of entrepreneurs just create the business, grow it up to a level, and then they decide to sell it. So and reap the result of their efforts. So under harvest, an entrepreneur sells his business and gets the benefit in return. And he doesn't stop here. Rather, the next entrepreneurial process also starts from here only, because at this stage only that entrepreneur starts thinking that which is the next venture he can start. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like it and subscribe my channel. Other than this, you can visit the website studyresearch.com for various case studies, MCQs for subjects entrepreneurship, business studies, and economics.